Here's one of the Tucker Nelson's low birth weight calves, like the last one that damn near killed that heifer. Ended up killing the calf. I let her go about 2 hours, come out, and she really hadn't made any progress. He may be too late. He may be okay. Just gonna give him a couple hours. Maybe come check him again, or just see what he's like in the morning, really. I mean, there's nothing else you can do. He's out. I was able to pull him without the calf puller. I really didn't feel like I had time to get the damn thing set up even. But she was struggling pretty bad. She'd have never had him on her own. She had a rough labor. Not as rough as the last one I helped, the little red. It was even worse. I'm gonna leave her be now and lock her up and see you in the morning.